Kanya. Balik ito. Okay. All right. Good morning, everyone. We're about to start with our lecture for this morning. We're waiting for the students to join our lecture and a review for the midterm for this morning. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our biology class review on DNA structure and also the function. Let's wait for the students to come in. Sa mga lalabs, pagpasok ng ating estudyante. Yeah, welcome. Welcome, Teacher Mamia. Welcome to our biology class. Thank you. Teacher is my co-teacher. Welcome, teacher. Let's wait for our students to join us. Right. All right, we have here. Good morning. Good morning, Manisaya. Number 9. Good morning, Inc. Good morning. Thank you for joining our class this morning. Yes, teacher. Hi, teacher. Good morning. Sawang napa. Hi. Yes, type. Good morning, guys. If you're in, type good morning. We're having here Note, good morning. Lukman, good morning. Good morning. We have also Teacher Mamiao, good morning. Yes, good morning. Okay. Pomp, yes, good morning, Pomp. Welcome to our class. Welcome to our review this morning. And also Pewa, good morning, Pewa. Thank you for joining our class. Good morning. Natapon, yes, thank you. Natapon is here. Mimi. Who else? Pitsayapa, good morning. And also Pimika. Mild and Pon, good morning, guys. Welcome to our review. All right. Let's wait for another minute, guys, before we start with our review, okay? So, trying to wait for other students. Cookie is here. Good morning, Cookie. Good morning, guys. And also we have here Tak. Tak is here. Good morning, Tak. Hi, good morning. Who else? All right. Keep coming, guys. I'll wait for you guys, okay? Welcome to our friends also who are watching right now. Slove, good morning, guys. Made in Singapore, good morning. Ray Salon, good morning. And also to our friends who are also interested or interesting in this kind of review. All right. So let me check the attendance for this morning. If you are here, please say present or just type hi. Okay. Let me call your name. Let me call your name, guys. Let me call your name. Please, Mimi, type hi. Mimi, are you here? Type hi, please. Okay. Mimi is here. Cookie. Cookie is here. How about Pawn? Are you here, Pawn? All right. Everybody is here. Thank you, teacher Mamiel, for helping me a lot. All right. We have perfect attendance in the house. We have Mimi, Cookie, Palm, Tuck, Look Moon, Fawn, Mild, Pe, Ink, and Kalfan. Thank you guys for attending our review this morning. Since we have two periods today, we will do have our review on DNA structure and also function, right? We're done with the basic concept of meiosis and mitosis. This morning, we will try to grasp and we will try to understand the concept of what is really DNA talks about. Okay, so we will try our best, students. I know it's a little bit difficult to understand about the concept of DNA since this is a complex topic, but I will try my best to make it easy for us to understand this morning. But before that, let's have our first game for this morning. Okay, this is worth 5 points additional mark for your requirements. All right. So let me start with our first question. You may have your question if you know the answer. Now, think of anything about cell. Okay. Give me a word, anything about cell, either somatic cell or a sex cell. All right. You may now start, guys. Please type any kind of cell that you want to that you can think of. Okay, you may start now, guys. Name part of the cell, kind of a cell. It's up to you. Okay, all right. Are you guys ready? Go. It's parts of the cell or kinds of cell. That's the clue, guys. Start now, guys. Okay. So you may earn 5 points for this first question before we have our lecture. Go, guys. All right. Or maybe we can have our game later. Okay. Before we end our lecture, maybe we can have our game later, guys. All right. Okay. We will start with our review since we will do this one in preparation for your midterm test. For the first one, we have here the DNA. Okay. It's all about the structure and function of DNA. So we have here the description of DNA, guys. DNA, or known as the deoxyribonucleic acid. We know this one. This is all about the types of a sugar inside the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. That is the meaning or the description of DNA. Since this is the mnemonic DNA, so the first D is deoxy ribonucleic. It represents the ribose and the nucleus, and also acid. Okay, in a form of an acid. Another one, another description is DNA, a polymer of a deoxyribonucleotides. It is in a form of a polymer. Later, guys, I will explain what is polymer. Okay. Next one, usually a double-stranded. Double. When you say double, it's two. Okay. Double-stranded. Next, and have a double helix structure. DNA, guys, is a structure known as a double helix. Okay. Next one, this small thing called DNA is found in the chromosome. Not only in the chromosomes, guys, but also inside the mitochondria. And aside from mitochondria, we can also found this DNA inside the chloroplasts. All right. We all know, guys, that all living organisms has these three uh, organelles. We have the chromosomes, the mitochondria, and also the chloroplasts. All right. And chloroplast, guys, is only found in plants, but not only in plants. There is also an exemption. Chloroplast also found inside the protists. Okay, under kingdom protist, there is also chloroplasts. Specific example, guys, is the paramecium. Okay, there is a chloroplast. Since paramecium could able to produce their own food, they belongs to autotrophs known as uh, they can generate their own food via photosynthesis. Right now, another example or another description of DNA, it acts as the genetic materials in most organisms. In other words, this DNA carry the genetic code, the genetic information of most organism. Okay, this is the classic, the blueprint of all living organism. All right. Now, it also carries the genetic information, how we look, how we act physically, the innermost of our beings. It determines the genetic information. Like example, or for instance, when you say phenotype, we're done with phenotypic and the genotypic of an organism. The phenotype, the physical appearance, it's outside, like color, size, okay, the color of your hair, the skin, the brown skin, your size, tall, big, small, those are phenotype. But when you say genotype, this is the genetic composition inside. If this is a if we have this review, guys, we consider the genotype, like for instance the heterozygous and homozygous. Okay, those are genetic information. Now let's proceed with the story. I will fast track, guys, before uh, the person responsible to the discovery of DNA by Friedrich Meister in 1868. he found or he discovered this acidic substance present in the nucleus. He was so curious, guys, about the discovery of this small, tiny thing inside the nucleus. Because when we open the cell, remember, when we open the cell, inside the cell, there are organelles. But inside that organelles, there is a nucleus, which is the center command of the cell, okay, or the brain of the cell. And he found out inside that there is an acidic substance inside the nucleus, and he named it nuclein. Again, in 1868, Friedrich named it nuclein, not yet DNA, guys, okay, nuclein. And as the study progressed, guys, there are there are two very good friends by the name of James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. They discovered that this simple double helix model for the structure of DNA. So they name it a double helix. Okay, so as you can see on the picture, they made a model of a DNA known as the double helix. Okay, so I will explain later, guys, what are those letters represent the A, C, T, G later, guys. Okay, now here are their picture. They're both handsome, right? These gentlemen really did their best to the discovery of the DNA. All right. Until, guys, that this scientific study or frameworks, there are also people contributed to their ideas, like Linus Pauling, Rosalind Franklin, and Maurice Wilkins, and also Erwin Chargaff. So these people has a big contribution in the discovery of DNA. Okay. Now let's proceed with our next slide. When Rosalind tried to dissect using the X-ray diffraction, it's like breaking the light into a wet fibers of DNA. So here is the classic example of their works inside the laboratory. Now, guys, let's proceed with the findings of Rosalind Franklin after the discovery. He said that she made an advances in X-ray diffraction technique with DNA. The diffraction patterns she obtained suggested several structure of features of a DNA, and she mentioned three, at least three. First, she said, "Oh, this is helical." When you say helical, it's like a ladder. And she also mentioned that it's more than one strand. One strand. Later, guys, I will explain what is helical, what is strand. And lastly, she mentioned that in this DNA, according to her findings, that there are 10 base pair per complete chain. So there are base, guys, 10 pair in a complete chain. Okay. What else? So this is the picture of Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. They worked together for the discovery. Now, my dear students, when you're ready, let's begin with the breakthrough of the DNA, the DNA structure, and also the function. Okay, let's begin, guys. Let's begin with our study. Now we established the discovery of DNA. Now let's proceed with the function and also the structure. Okay, please bear with me. Walk with me, guys, as we learn together in the DNA structure. Again, deoxyribonucleic acid. The DNA structure is often divided into four, okay? 4 levels. There are 4 levels of the DNA structure. First is the primary. When you say primary, that's number 1. Secondary, number 2. Tertiary, number 3. And lastly, quaternary, that's number 4. Classmates, guys, ladies and gentlemen, This DNA structure has also three main components. When you say components, there are, or it is the main um, components or main, should I say, it gives this DNA the significance and you cannot separate it. Okay? Three, remember that one. You cannot separate these three because this three is called DNA. Okay? If you remove the first components, you cannot call it DNA. So, guys, these three will go together forever and ever. Okay? All right. DNA has three main components, namely, okay, guys, please do not sleep. Open your eyes. Listen. DNA has three main components. Number one, we have deoxyribose. Okay, we have deoxyribose, and this ribose is a pentose sugar. Okay, this ribose is a pentose sugar, ladies and gentlemen. The second one is the base, and this base, there are four different bases. Okay, and that base represent the letters. Later, guy, I will uh, explain it one by one. And lastly, we have phosphate, the phosphate. Okay, phosphate. Now, when you say number one, guys, okay, please bear with me. Walk with me, guys. Let's proceed with number one. Deoxyribose, a pentose sugar. In other words, this DNA, guys, or this deoxyribose has five sugar, pentose, okay? There are five sugar in a carbon form, five carbon sugar, all right? Deoxyribose, five carbon sugar, all right? Let me make an annotation here. We'll see if I can. Oh, I think I cannot, guys. All right. Remember, guys, this number one, we have deoxyribose, a pentose sugar, or also known as the deoxyribose with five carbon sugar. Remember that one. Please remember that one. Put it in our frontal lobe, okay? Five. Next one is the base. Number two, base. This base, there are four different ones. What are these base? These base, ladies and gentlemen, are the nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous, okay? And this nitrogenous is an organic molecule. This is an organic molecule with, okay, with, or it contains nitrogenous in a form of a ring. In a form of a ring, okay? Now, since this is an organic molecules, a nitrogenous form, it has a ring. Okay? And lastly, number three, we have the phosphate. Phosphate. This phosphate, guys, as you can see, we have this the circle one, we have the pentose, and we have the rectangle. Okay? The rectangle represent the base, the phosphate represent the circle, and the deoxyribose represent this pentose. Now, as you can see, when you say phosphate, this phosphate is a phosphorus ion. Teacher, what is phosphorus? Phosphorus ions, guys. This phosphorus ions composed of four oxygen atoms. There are four oxygen atoms that attach this phosphate. All right, remember this one. Okay, guys, please look at here. When you have this DNA, there are three of them. The main components are deoxyribose, five sugar. Remember this one, okay? We have five sugar. Next one, we have, what else? We have, hold on, let me go back, okay? we have also phosphate with 4 oxygen attached on it. Okay. And deoxyribose, 5 uh, carbon sugar. Okay. And the base, guys, 4 different bases. Okay. Let's proceed. All right. Look at here first. The phosphate, please look. The phosphate, you can see letter P in the middle. It represents phosphate. And we can have 4 oxygen, surrounding with 4 oxygen. Okay. How about the deoxy, guys? Deoxy, we have 5 sugar. As you can see, there is a clockwise arrangement. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th sugar attached to the phosphate. Okay, the 5th attached to the phosphate, guys. How about the base? Okay, look at the base. Excuse me. The base, ladies and gentlemen, the base we have here A, okay, G, C, and T. What are those? Let's represent. Okay, A, guys, the A represent for adenine. Okay, we have here the nitrogenous base. Please look at here. The nitrogenous base, ladies and gentlemen, it represents this 4 letter. Okay, and this base divided into 2. Okay, the nitrogenous base divided into 2. First one, we have the pyrimidines and the purines group. Okay, we have the pyrimidines and the purines group. Remember, there are 4 of them, and this 4 divided into 2. Okay, first is the what? How about the group of pyrimidines? Okay, these are the group of pyrimidines. Okay, pyrimidines are the thymine and cytosine. Okay, pyrimidines are the thymine and also cytosine, classmates. Okay, can you follow? Please follow, guys. Pyrimidines represent thymine and also cytosine, and these pyrimidines composed of only one ring. As you can see, there is only one, right? One ring, the blue one, it represents pyrimidines. The other group, okay, the other group is purines. Purines. Other group is purines, and these purines composed of adenine and also guanine. Okay, adenine and guanine, and this purine is double ring. Okay, there is a ring structure or called a double ring structure. Okay, recap, guys. There are 4 nitrogenous base or bases, namely the pyrimidines and also the purines. All right, pyrimidines, we have thymine and cytosine. For the purines, we have adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines, only one ring. Okay, purines composed of 2 rings. Okay, I hope this one is clear before we proceed with our next example. Okay, as you can see here, we have the nitrogenous bases of DNA and RNA. We will focus first on the DNA. Okay, all right, for the purines, this is the parent compound. Okay, we have also the adenine and also guanine. Right, on the other side is the pyrimidine, or also known as the parent compound. We have the cytosine and also thymine. Not sure why there is a uracil. Uracil, guys, is in the RNA. Okay, all right. So for this matter, guys, we have here the nucleotide structure. Okay, I will explain to you what is the nucleotides. Okay, the nucleotides, guys, this is the unit, or known also as the polymer. Okay, When you say nucleotides, it's formed by the condensation of a sugar. Look, a sugar, phosphate, and also the four bases. So when you say nucleotide structure, this is a repeating a monomer of a structure. Since the DNA, guys, has a four bases, we have here it represents the nucleotides. We have the phosphate, we have the deoxyribose, and we have the nitrogenous base. Again, for the nucleotides, it composed of the phosphate. Phosphate, guys, with 4 oxygen attached in it. Remember this one, okay? There are 4. Next is deoxyribose. Deoxyribose, guys, with 5 carbon sugar. 5 carbon sugar. Nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases, guys, ladies and gentlemen, it composed of a nitrogenous organic matter or nitrogenous, and it composed of 4 bases. Namely, we have adenine, guanine, cytosine, and the other one is thymine. Okay, that is the nucleotides. All right. So let's now try to dissect the DNA nucleotides. Please look, watch, and learn. Okay. So we have here the phosphate with 4 oxygen attached in it. And we have the deoxyribose with 5 carbon sugar without oxygen. Okay. Because deoxy, the prefix de, mimi, no oxygen, sugar, carbon. Okay. And it attached to a base. So these 3, remember guys, we cannot separate these 3. You cannot. Okay. They are like a partner forever. Okay. Or else we cannot form a DNA. Okay. So I think this would be our last slide before we have our game for today. All right. Now, base plus sugar is equals to nucleotide. Actually, it is not nucleotide. Okay. Example of this, look. Example of this is adenine. Okay. This is what I'm trying to explain, guys. Please bear with me, walk with me for a couple of minutes. Base plus sugar, we have an example. If you have adenine plus ribose, you have, or we come up with adenosine. Adenosine. All right? Adenosine. Because of the presence of sugar. Okay? Sugar and the base. The other one is adenine plus deoxyribose. We could create deoxyadenosine. All right? Deoxyadenosine. Now, base plus sugar plus phosphate, we have nucleotide. Nucleotide. In other words, if you stretch, okay, guys, if we stretch the DNA, we can form a nucleotides. So nucleotides is the base, sugar, and also the phosphate. All right? Nucleotides, base, and also the phosphate. All right? So this is more on biochemistry. Since we're not dealing with biochemistry, since you have your chemistry teacher, I'm just introducing to you guys the basic structure of the DNA. All right. So let's have a recap, guys. Let's have a recap before we have our game this morning. Okay. Let's have a recap. Let's go back here first. Okay. So we have the DNA structure. We have the deoxyribose, the base, and the phosphate. Okay. As you can see, and this deoxyribose, base, and phosphate, they are called nucleotides. All right, nucleotides. Okay, so I think we will now proceed with our game. I hope, guys, you learned something about this presentation. Now, we will proceed now with our uh, game one. Students, please type game one. Okay, please type game one so that we can start now with our game. All right. Are you ready, guys? M4. Please type game one, guys. Game or all right. Okay, I think I should put your mark. Right. Paano ko siya ano? Paano ko siya out? Here. Okay. All right. Let's have our game, guys. Okay, M4. First game. First game. It's about number, okay? It's about number. I think you're fun with numbers. So let's have number first. Okay, for M4. Okay, this is worth in your midterm test. Additional score, I'll give you 5 points, okay? 5 points. All right. Okay. Type a number, guys. Any number. Number this time about number. Okay, you may start now. Number, guys. Okay, number. Okay, let me give you a clue. Type a number from 200 to 300. Okay, 200 to 300, guys. 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Please type 3-digit number from 200 to 300. Go, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, you're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. 245. 245. Ah, not upon. Not upon. You're almost there. Not upon. Mimi, you're almost there. You're almost there. 232. Mm-hmm. 245. Pump. Pump. You almost got it. Pump. You almost got it. All right. 247. A little bit lower. Lower. Okay. Keep on typing. 243. Ink. Almost ink. Who's this? Ink. Ink. You're almost 243. 24. All right. 24. Okay, we have a winner. We have a winner, guys. We have a winner. Stop typing. Stop typing. We have a winner. Okay. All right. Okay. The number is 2. Okay, let me show you the screen. The number is 241. 241. Congratulations to Ink. All right. Ink got the correct answer. Manut saya got the correct answer. Okay. Ink got 5 points. All right. Congratulations, Ink. All right. Congratulations. Okay. I think we still have time. One more, guys. One more. One more game. One more game. Okay. One more. All right. Type. Just type play. Okay. Or yeah, type play. Play for game number 2. Type play first. Play. Play. Okay. Write the word play for game number 2. Okay. Please type play. Play. Play for game number 2. All right. Rodstrong play. Rodstrong is ready. Kathleen is ready. Thank you, guys. Okay. Boy play. Thank you. Thank you, Ink. Play. Okay. Type play, guys. Type play before we start with our next game. All right. So, guys, for today, game number 1, the winner is Manut Sayap. Ink got 5 points. All right. She got 5 points. All right. Okay. All right. Let's start with game number 2. Okay. Game number 2. Okay. Game number 2. I think number is easy for you guys. All right. But we will try our best. Last game, guys, I want you to think of about words. Okay. Game number 2. All right. Game number 2. Think of a number from again 3-digit number. Okay. 3-digit number from 700 to 800. Okay. 700 to 800. You may now start with your guys. From 700 to 800. Three-digit number. 3-digit number. 701, 744, 748. No. 748. 700 to 800, guys. 700 to 800. 756. 756. 256. Guys, another 5 points, okay? Another 5 points. Go, guys. Go, guys. 769. No, it's not 769, I think. Yeah, it's not 769. What else? 769, 745. Almost. Oh, someone is typing. Almost, guys. Almost. You almost hit the correct one. 701. You almost got it. You almost got it, guys. Keep on typing, guys. Keep on typing. Go, go. I know you can do it. I know it's you. It's really you. 703. 788. All right. Go. Okay, just keep on typing. Do not leave your numbers, guys. You're almost there. You have the idea. You have the clue. You're almost there. You're almost there. 712, 704, 799, 777. That's my favorite number, but it's not the number for today. All right. Okay. Keep on typing. Keep on typing. 765. Okay, you're almost there. 765. You're almost there. Again, guys, remember this is for your midterm test. 765. I will put or add your score, your mark. I will add your mark on your midterm test. 75. What's that? 734, 795, 745. Higher, a little bit higher. A little bit higher. 766. Oh, you're almost there. 746. Okay, 746. Not quite. All right. Go, go, go. All right. Not 777, okay? Not 777 or 777. 7. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. We we have a winner, guys. Thank you. Okay, stop typing. We have a winner. Oh, I make it two. I will not announce it. There is one winner. I make it two winners. Please keep on typing. We have a winner already, but please keep on typing. I will get two winners this time. We have a winner, and I know it's you. Congratulations, my students. It's from my students. Thank you, guys. Okay, we have another winner. Okay, we have a winner now, but I need more. I need one more winner, guys. One more. Go, go. Please continue, guys. Continue typing, guys. Continue typing. I need one more winners. I'll get two winners. We have one already, and I need one more. Please keep on typing. Guys. 769. No, it's not 769. Go, guys. Continue. May JPN. Continue, guys. Go. 768. No, it's not 768. It's a little bit higher. Just 762. Lower a little bit. 762. Lower a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Ink, just a little bit lower, ink. You're almost there, ink. You're almost there. Okay. All right. Continue. Keep on typing. Please keep on typing. Guys. Send your numbers, guys. Send your numbers. 766. Nope. It's not 766. Nope. Okay. 746. Higher a little bit. A little bit higher. Almost. Not a phone. Almost. You're almost there, Natapon. Almost, almost. Okay. 712. Nope. It's not 712. All right. Okay, guys. We have 3 minutes more. 3 minutes more. 766. Nope. 766. Nope. All right. Guys, I need one more winner, guys. Do not go beyond 760. Okay. Do not go beyond 760. Okay. 756. Almost, almost. Okay. Okay, guys, we only have 3 minutes more before we end. 769. No, no, no. Almost, almost. Just a little bit lower. 752. Oh, who's this? Tanakit. you you almost hit the correct one. Cookie, cookie. 751. We have a win. Who's this? 775. Oh yeah, yeah, we have a winner. Okay. Guys, thank you guys. We have a winner. Okay, please stop typing. Stop typing. Stop typing now. We have a winner. Two winners. Okay. The number is, okay, let me show you the number. Let me show you the number, guys. The number is, okay. Okay, here's the number. It's 751. Okay, 751. Congratulations to Mimi and Cookie. All right, Mimi and Cookie got 5 points and 5 points, and also Ink got 5 points for our game today. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you very much, my dear students. I wish you God bless and good luck to your midterm test on Monday. Okay, please try to review, and if you do have some concern and questions in our review for today about DNA structure and functions, please do not hesitate to call me or send your message through our line group for more clarification regarding our discussion today. And also, if you have some concern on cell division, the meiosis and mitosis, you may also drop your questions on our line group. All right. So, guys, thank you so much for having you this morning. And I'm so happy to have you. I hope you will have good times walking with us as we have our review in biology. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And before you leave, don't forget to like our activity today by hitting the like button on this review live on YouTube. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Sawadee krap, kapuna kap, teacher. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone. Kapun krap. You may now leave, students, and you may now proceed to your next subject. Thank you, guys. All right. I would like to uh, offer my thanks to General Ray Blogs for allowing me to use this platform to educate our students when it comes to the topic on DNA structure. Thank you, General Ray, and to all my YouTube friends who are very supportive for our live today. I would like to thank you, everyone, and thank you so much also for uh, coming by. And I saw earlier the new members. Thank you. I would like to welcome you in our line group, in our YouTube channel. Welcome to General Ray Vlogs channel, our official YouTube channel. Thank you. And also to our Lalabs Wong, who is really also supportive, to Ray Salon, Rod Strong, and to all my students. Thank you. And also Lalabs Slav. Slav, thank you, Lalabs Love, for um, joining my team. So you are now an official member of um, General Ray Vlogs. Thank you. May God bless us all. Guys, see you sometimes. Have a good day. Thank you, guys. Bye, everyone.